Hello everyone, Uncle Frank here again, and today we're gonna learn how to make our own minion. I know there's a new film coming out and I know they have names, but we're not gonna make any specific ones. We're just gonna make any random guy, any random minion. And here goes the formula. It's just an egg. Just an egg. So let's draw an oval. Okay, so this oval is gonna be kind of flat at the bottom. And I'm gonna divide it in the middle. Unlike the rest of our drawings, this one is not gonna be the mark for the nose. This is gonna be the mouth. Now I'm gonna start drawing their overalls. And I've decided that this minion is gonna be one-eyed. So I make a circle for the eye. And I just draw a circle inside the circle. Okay, and here are the eyelids. So I draw the mouth where I had planned it to be. The straps for his overalls. Here you can see that the main lines are not really exact. It's because I'm trying to shape it the way I want, and we're gonna discover what shape this is in a minute. Little shoes, not much detail here, it's okay. And here's a pocket in the front of the overalls. Okay. So there's gonna be a circle inside, and inside the circle I'm gonna make a square and shape it like a G. G for groove. And a few unruly hairs on his head. And I think that must be it. And now for the next step, let me get the thick marker and make the external outline. I've also decided this is gonna be a mixed media drawing. I'm gonna use colored pencils and felt tip pens. I'm gonna start using some gray for the metallic finishing on his goggle. Still using colored pencils, now I'm gonna do the overalls. And for their dominant banana color, I'm gonna use a yellow felt tip pen because it's vibrant and I really like this color. And that's it, this minion is ready to follow your orders. Thank you for watching this video so far, and if you felt there was some value in it and that you could learn something from this tutorial, don't forget to like the video and subscribe. It helps us a lot. Thank you very much, and I hope to see you guys next time. Bye bye.